While the world focused its gaze on the vibrant landscape of Silicon Valley, a profound transformation quietly took root in China. The nation, once known primarily as a manufacturing epicenter, underwent a metamorphosis into a formidable technological force in less than 40 years. This evolution is not merely a tale of technological gadgets. It is a narrative rich with ambition, strategy, and an unyielding quest to seize control of the future. In the early days, the phrase "made in China" was synonymous with inexpensive products. However, beneath this blanket of mass production lay a powerful force, a concerted push toward research and development. Between the turn of the millennium and the year 2020, China escalated its investment in R&D by an astonishing 800%. This exponential growth propelled China to become the second largest investor in R&D globally, right behind the United States, and it has consistently closed the gap, showcasing a determined resolve to innovate at all levels of industry. The rise of Chinese tech giants marks a new era in the global marketplace. Companies like Huawei have taken the lead in developing 5G technology, establishing their presence on the world stage. In the realm of aerial innovation, DJI has emerged as a dominant force, controlling a staggering 70% of the global drone market. Meanwhile, BYD has surged ahead in the electric vehicle sector, surpassing even Tesla in sales. Powerhouses such as Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu are revolutionizing the digital landscape, reshaping how the world interacts with technology and commerce. This shift in perception and capability illustrates how China has redefined the narrative from mere manufacturing to being a leader in innovation. With a strategic focus on technology, investment in education, and a drive for intellectual property ownership, the nation is not just crafting devices. It is nurturing an ecosystem of creativity and progress. The impact of this transformation echoes through the corridors of global power dynamics, hinting at a future where China stands not in the shadows, but in the spotlight as a primary influencer in technology's ongoing evolution. In the vibrant landscape of technological advancements, China is making significant strides with artificial intelligence. The nation boldly proclaims AI as the next frontier, where innovation converges with surveillance systems, facilitating smart cities that operate seamlessly. Imagine bustling streets illuminated by the glow of cameras adapted for facial recognition, capturing the essence of urban dynamics while generating real-time traffic information for quick decision-making. The controversy surrounding privacy is palpable, yet the efficiency of AI policing cannot be understated, offering a glimpse into a future dominated by digital governance. As we shift our gaze skyward, the space race reemerges with renewed vigor, a battle not just for celestial dominance, but for national pride. While NASA charts courses to Mars, China's audacious endeavors have led to the successful landing of a mission on the far side of the moon. Visualize the majestic rockets launching into infinity, leaving trails of history behind. The Tiangong space station is a marvel, basking in the silent embrace of the cosmos, while the projected lunar base stirs aspirations for sustainable living beyond our planet. Each CGI rendering of the Chinese space station further embeds the narrative of a country unafraid to dream among the stars. The stakes escalate further as the geopolitical landscape evolves. The U.S. embarks on a race against time to curtail China's access to semiconductors, a critical component within the tech ecosystem. The determination of China is palpable as it rolls up its sleeves to construct its chip industry from scratch, a monumental task steeped in urgency. This technology wrestle transcends mere tech disputes. It's a grand game of power, where the implications ripple across each nation involved. As visions clash and trade barriers rise, the global tech landscape is reframed, leading to questions about the emerging order. As this symphony of advancement plays on, a pivotal question arises. Is the world ready for China's narrative? As innovations burgeon across AI, space exploration, and groundbreaking chip manufacturing, one thing is certain: China's ascent is not something on the horizon, but a reality that is vigorously unfolding. The 21st century may indeed be inscribed in Mandarin code, reflecting a shift in influence and the redefinition of global standards. In this pivotal juncture, we stand witness to the dawning of a new era, where technology paves the way for unprecedented possibilities.